How you doing, folks? It's Johnny C. the Pizza Guy. I am at a new deli that I've learned about by my good friend Howard, who's from Brooklyn. Now, I got a shout out in this video going out to Lil Mo Mutz. Lil Mo Mozzarella in Brooklyn. Hey, Mo, Semolina, okay? This place has been here, Howard, how long?
Since 1970.
I'm gonna give you a little tour of this amazing establishment. I met the owners today. They come from a secret town in Sicily. And I say secret, but Johnny C knows the town very well. Messina. It's a province in Sicily. Johnny C, Messina is very close to Johnny C's family. Why? The Bignolata Mezzanese. That's where we get it from, Messina. My family's a few miles away in Giardini Noxus. This place is amazing. Look at this sandwich. And Howard, this is your go-to. What do you call this? This is
a beautiful Italian hero. Homemade dressing, delicious.
Amazing. Again, Mo, come to Jersey again. You keep coming to Jersey. Come with Johnny C. We'll come have a semolina in Jersey together.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
How's that?
That is amazing. Now, you got to have Manhattan Special. I'm going to give you a little quick tour here of this beautiful deli, family-owned deli for many, many years here in Freehold, New Jersey on Route 9. Okay? Thank you, Howard. There's Howard. He knows this place. How long have you been coming here, Howard?
Since I moved out to New Jersey, so at least 10 plus years.
You know what? I always trust a guy from Brooklyn. And you definitely,
Listen,
you know.
This place reminds me of my own deli, G&S Pork Store in Brooklyn. Next door was the Italian bakery, so every Sunday morning, out to G&S, get the cold cuts, get the semolina, and you know it's on at lunchtime.
Beautiful. I'm gonna give everyone a quick tour. Beautiful seating area here in the back. I love the pictures. I'll be taking a look through these pictures here. You can see Sicilian roots. Amazing, amazing.
Listen, you never asked us how long we've been coming here.
How long have you been coming here?
50 years.
50 years.
50.
Wow, wow. Well, listen, my family's we have family from Messina. The owners are from Messina. It's amazing.
Who is the owner from Messina? This one?
Yeah, I think there's some roots to Messina.
No, Tusa.
Oh, Tusa, all right. Well, I'm learning.
Yeah.
But look at this, victory in Sicily. There's so much Sicilian. All my Sicilian friends and family, you need to come here and experience this great cuisine. I love it. When I walk,
Did you go to World War II?
me, no, my family, my grandfather.
Yeah.
So here, when you walk in, there's a beautiful. You could just tell the minute you walk in the history. I mean, there's still the paneling on the wall. I mean, these things are very important. Look at the meat hanging. Beautiful, beautiful. And when I walked in, I knew this was a Sicilian family. Look at the beautiful, beautiful Sicilian donkey here. Amazing, amazing. I mean, fresh produce, fresh sandwiches, fresh cold cuts. Amazing. Okay, now real quick, we're not done. When you come here to have lunch, what do you have? What's your go-to?
I see the owner, I talked to him for 10 minutes, I already feel better.
Okay,
And whatever I get is good.
Okay, all right.
Better than any place else.
You know what? It's like family, no?
Him?
Yes.
Nah, there's not another person like him. Not even in Italy.
Wow.
That's how good he is.
I cannot wait to meet him in person. So could you share your go-to when you come here?
Whatever I feel like having, because it's all good.
Wow, you know what? That's a testimonial.
Correct. Of course it is.
Beautiful, beautiful.
If they don't have, they make it for you.
Love it, love it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing. Thank
Yeah.
you.
No
Thank
Where
you.
do you live?
I'm gonna give you my card. We're gonna talk.
Okay.
Look
what Tony just dropped off for us.
Oh, what's this? Oh, look at that beautiful cannolis. Wow. I can always use 2 cannolis. Again, Mo, you got to come out to Freehold, New Jersey. You're going to love this place, okay? Rosario's here in Freehold, New Jersey on Route 9. Strongly recommended by Johnny C, the pizza guy. Have a great day, everyone.